excuse my language. Cheap old motor. This motor came off of a Hampton Bay Littleton ceiling fan dated December 2017. And this shows how much of a piece of crap that a Hampton Bay Littleton ceiling fan is. Also known as the Crapton Gay Shittleton. But by the way, this is a SMC Park Avenue 2 ceiling fan, model number DC42. Now I parted this fan out and made it into my own version of this fan because this ceiling fan was missing 2 out of 4 of the blades, so I just went on and reused the blades for another one, and I just threw them away because I didn't have no use for them and stuff. And I scrapped the original motor out the fan because this blade set is not going to fit the holes on the original motor for this fan and stuff. So I'm about to go on and put this thing back in reverse. Yeah, right, this. But if you guys buy a new Hampton Bay Littleton fan, and if it works on forward and reverse, then you guys are lucky. Just a waste of money. Reversible blades from red to washed out.